Vertical ridges on your nails, a silent warning from your nervous system. Do you have vertical ridges running from the base to the tip of your fingernails? Most people see this and assume it's just aging, but your fingernails can reveal far more about your health than you may realize. In fact, they often provide early clues about what's happening inside your nervous system, brain, and nutrient status, long before serious symptoms appear. Many people today live in a constant state of stress, and over time, chronic stress causes chemical and structural changes in the brain and nervous system. This prolonged strain can lead to nerve irritation and gradual nerve damage, which then begins to show up in the body as warning signs such as anxiety and nervous tension, ringing in the ears, tinnitus, fatigue, and poor stress tolerance. And yes, vertical ridges on the fingernails. Your nails contain delicate nerve endings and microcirculation beneath the nail bed. Because of this, they are often among the first tissues to reflect internal imbalances. If your nails are smooth, strong, and naturally pink, this usually indicates a well-supported nervous system with healthy circulation. But when the nervous system becomes overburdened, vertical ridges may begin forming from the cuticle upward, a sign your body is asking for support. This content is for educational purposes only, so if you suspect prediabetes or any health condition, always speak with your doctor. What vertical nail ridges often signal? One of the most common underlying causes is a deficiency in B-complex vitamins, especially vitamin B12. When stress levels are high, or when the diet is heavy in refined and processed foods, the body rapidly depletes vitamin B12 and other critical B vitamins. This can lead to a functional form of iron-related anemia, where nutrients are not efficiently delivered to the nail bed and surrounding nerves. As a result, nerve regeneration slows, blood flow becomes less efficient, nail growth quality declines, vertical ridges begin to appear. This is not a cosmetic issue. It's a biological signal. It's also worth noting that even subtle changes like slightly dull or brittle nails can indicate early nutrient deficiencies, long before more serious symptoms develop. Paying attention early can make a big difference. Natural treatment options to reverse vertical nail ridges. Let's look at 6 evidence-based natural strategies that support nerve health, restore nutrient balance, and allow nails to grow back healthier and smoother. Remedy number 1. Nutritional yeast. People with vertical nail ridges often feel chronically stressed or anxious. Consuming 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast daily can quickly support nervous system balance. Nutritional yeast is rich in vitamin B12, B6, folate, thiamine, and riboflavin. These nutrients help calm nervous tension, support nerve regeneration, improve nail matrix health. Even adding nutritional yeast to simple meals like soups, salads, or smoothies can make it easy to get these essential vitamins consistently. If you're finding this information helpful, please subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and nutrition tips. Remedy number 2, eat shellfish regularly. Shellfish are one of the most powerful natural sources of bioavailable vitamin B12 and trace minerals. Aim to consume shellfish at least 3 times per week, including mussels, crab, shrimp, clams, cockles. These nutrients directly nourish the nervous system and address the root cause of nail ridging. For those who don't eat meat, there are still options like fortified plant foods or B12 supplements, but shellfish remain among the most efficient natural sources. Remedy number 3, stop long-term antacid use. If you regularly use antacids or proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, this may be silently contributing to the problem. These medications neutralize stomach acid, block B12, iron, and mineral absorption, impair nerve and nail health over time. Instead, using apple cider vinegar before meals can support stomach acid levels and improve nutrient absorption naturally. Even a small change like this can make a noticeable difference in nutrient delivery over weeks and months. Remedy number 4, methylcobalamin, vitamin B12. Individuals following vegan or plant-based diets are particularly vulnerable to B12 deficiency. Supplementing with methylcobalamin, the active form of vitamin B12, can support nerve repair, improve circulation to the nail bed, reverse vertical ridging over time. This form is highly absorbable and neurologically active. Consistency is key. Taking B12 regularly can prevent deficiencies from accumulating and allow nails to gradually return to their natural texture. Remedy number 5. Coconut oil for nail protection. At the cosmetic level, nail appearance can be supported externally. Lightly buff the nail surface with an emery board, then apply virgin coconut oil regularly. This helps protect the nail plate, reduce surface dryness, improve nail flexibility and appearance. While cosmetic, it complements internal healing. Even a few minutes of daily application can help maintain moisture and reduce the risk of splitting. Remedy number 6. Eat wild-caught salmon. Wild-caught salmon is one of the most complete foods for nerve and nail health. It provides omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, high-quality protein. These nutrients reduce inflammation, support nerve signaling, and promote healthy nail growth. Reducing refined sugar and processed foods further enhances these benefits. Additionally, including other nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens and eggs can create a balanced approach that supports overall nerve and nail health. Why this matters? Vertical nail ridges are not a normal part of aging. They are often a visible sign of B vitamin deficiency, iron transport issues, chronic stress, reduced circulation. Even minor lifestyle adjustments, such as daily movement, hydration, and stress management, can amplify the effects of nutrition and help nails recover faster. If you notice only 1 or 2 ridges, this may indicate a need for heme iron from animal-based sources. Regular movement, even 5 minutes of daily walking, helps improve blood flow and nutrient delivery, especially in individuals with poor circulation or peripheral vascular concerns. Final thoughts. Your body communicates constantly, often quietly. Nails are one of its earliest messengers. When you address the root causes and restore proper nutrition and nervous system support, the body often corrects these signs naturally. Observing your nails over time and combining internal nutrition with external care gives the best chance for smooth, healthy growth. We'll be covering many more physical indicators of nutrient deficiencies and nervous system stress in future videos. Discover 13 hidden signs of hormonal imbalance after 40. Subtle clues your body is sending about energy, mood, and overall health. Learn how to spot these symptoms early and take control naturally. Watch the full video, 13 Hidden Hormonal Imbalance Symptoms After 40. Thank you for listening. A like is always appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health insights. As always, I wish you great health, lasting wealth, and happiness.